Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0752 indicates a specific issue regarding the automatic transmission in Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022, specifically relating to the shift solenoid valve A being stuck in the on position. When this code appears, the control module, or PCM, powertrain control module, prevents the transmission from shifting into any gear other than second or fourth as part of a fail-safe operation. This means that the vehicle may exhibit limited functionality, which is critical for safe operation. The shift solenoid valves are responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid and facilitating gear changes. These solenoids are typically mounted on the transmission body and are integral to the automatic shifting process. If this error code is a pending status, the transmission may only shift between third and sixth gears, further indicating issues that could affect vehicle performance. Understanding this DTC is essential for diagnosing and repairing the transmission successfully. The DTC P0752 directly pertains to the automatic transmission's shift solenoid valve A, located within the transmission assembly of the Honda Pilot. The primary role of this solenoid is to control the flow of automatic transmission fluid, which in turn enables the transmission to select appropriate gear ratios for efficient performance. When this solenoid gets stuck in the on position, it disrupts the normal gear shifting process, leading to the PCM implementing a fail-safe mode. In this mode, the vehicle may only shift to second or fourth gear to avoid damage and maintain some level of drivability. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, works in conjunction with various sensors to monitor and manage the overall operation of the transmission systems, and it plays a crucial role in rectifying any faults that are detected in the shifting process. There are several possible causes that can lead to the DTC P0752 being triggered. First, a stuck solenoid valve could prevent the valve from operating properly, leading to an inability to change gears as required. This can often occur due to wear and tear, or if the solenoid accumulates debris or contaminants. Second, there may be internal transmission issues that can affect various components, potentially disrupting the expected operation of the solenoid and the gears. Lastly, fluid contamination is another potential culprit. Dirty or degraded automatic transmission fluid can lead to poor performance and ultimately solenoid failure. Addressing these causes is important in ensuring the longevity and proper functioning of the vehicle's transmission. Identifying symptoms associated with DTC P0752 can be crucial in diagnosing the problem effectively. The most noticeable symptom is that the vehicle will have limited gear shifting capabilities, often only being able to select second or fourth gears. Additionally, drivers may experience harsh shifting when the vehicle attempts to change gears, which can indicate that the system is struggling with operation due to the stuck solenoid. Another common symptom is transmission slipping, where the engine may rev higher than normal without corresponding acceleration, indicating a failure to properly engage the gears. Recognizing these symptoms early can mitigate potential damage and improve the chances of a successful repair. The first troubleshooting step when encountering DTC P0752 is to check the automatic transmission fluid, ATF levels. It is essential to warm up the engine to its normal operating temperature, which indicates when the radiator fan comes on. After achieving the correct temperature, you should verify that the transmission is filled to the proper level and thoroughly inspect for any visible fluid leaks. Fluid leaks can greatly affect transmission function, so identifying and rectifying these issues is critical. Additionally, you need to drain the ATF through a strainer and inspect it for metal debris or excessive clutch material. If metal debris is found, this could indicate serious internal transmission issues, requiring you to replace the entire transmission. If none of these issues are present, you would proceed by replacing the ATF before advancing to the next troubleshooting step. In the second troubleshooting step, the vehicle needs to be raised on a lift, ensuring it is securely supported to allow all four wheels to rotate freely. This safe positioning is vital for further diagnostics. After securely elevating the vehicle, switch the ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. The next action is to clear the DTC using the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostics System. After clearing the code, start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) by pressing the VSA off button. It's crucial to enter VSA maintenance mode if the vehicle speed exceeds 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. Run the vehicle while shifting into D to allow the transmission to slowly change to fourth gear, and monitor the third and fourth pressure switch parameters using the HDS. If you observe that the fourth pressure switch turns off in fourth gear, while the third pressure switch turns on with a harsh shift, the issues are likely confirmed, and you would proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The third troubleshooting step involves a direct check of shift solenoid valve A. This is done by selecting the solenoid in the miscellaneous test menu of the HDS. It is crucial to observe whether a distinct clicking sound is heard, which would indicate that the solenoid is functioning properly. If the clicking sound is detected, it suggests that the solenoid is operational. However, any persistent issues could signify a faulty secondary valve body, specifically related to shift valve A. If no clicking sound is heard, this strongly indicates a faulty shift solenoid valve A itself, resulting in the need to replace the secondary valve body. Any faults identified at this stage should lead to prompt actions to ensure the transmission operates smoothly thereafter. Once repairs have been conducted based on the troubleshooting steps, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repairs made. Start by retesting the vehicle to ensure that all affected systems are functioning correctly post-repair. Particular attention should be given to the transmission's ability to shift smoothly through all gears. If the vehicle operates without any signs of harsh shifting or inability to change gears, the repairs can be considered successful. Furthermore, it is important to check for any recurrence of the DTC P0752 within the system. If the code appears again, a more thorough inspection could be required, potentially revisiting previous issues or exploring additional causes that may not have been previously addressed. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0752 and ensure optimal transmission performance, establishing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly checking the ATF levels will enable early detection of potential leaks or fluid degradation. It is also recommended to change the ATF at the manufacturer's specified intervals, as dirty or contaminated fluid can severely impact solenoid performance and overall transmission health. Additionally, periodically inspecting the solenoids and associated electrical connections can help identify any issues before they become significant problems. Following these maintenance steps can greatly enhance the longevity of the transmission while also ensuring a smooth driving experience. In summary, understanding DTC P0752 related to the shift solenoid valve A being stuck on is critical for diagnosing and addressing transmission-related issues in Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. Proper diagnostics play a crucial role in determining the underlying causes of the DTC and ensuring that repairs are effective. The steps for troubleshooting encompass checking the ATF, confirming operational status through pressure switch behaviors, and directly testing the shift solenoid A. It is also essential to implement preventive measures to avoid future issues. Regular maintenance can greatly help in identifying potential problems early, leading to a smoother driving experience and prolonged vehicle lifespan. Awareness and prompt action when encountering such DTCs will enhance vehicle reliability and maintain performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.